Typeform versus Google Forms, which is the best? Hello and welcome to our channel WebOS. In this tutorial, I'm going to do a comparison review between Typeform and Google Forms. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So let's start first by reviewing the Typeform. So just open your browser and kindly go to typeform.com. And if you haven't signed up for Typeform yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, going back in here, if you don't know Typeform, it is an online platform that allows users to create interactive and engaging forms, surveys, quizzes, and various types of online data collection forms, in which it stands out for its user-friendly interface, sleek design, and versatility in creating forms that are more conversational and visually appealing than traditional survey tools. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail. By clicking this pricing option on the top panel, you will be directed on this page. And below here, it will show you some of the plans that they offer, such as the pre-plan, basic, plus, and business plan. And below each plan, it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. However, in those options, I'm going to choose this free plan. So can I click on it, and after signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like of Typeform. And from here, to start creating your new form, just proceed by clicking this Create New Form button right here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the three options that you can choose, such as to start from scratch, import questions, and create with AI. So let's say I'm going to choose to start from scratch. So can I click on it, and you will be directed it here. And from here, you can simply customize the name of your form and select what are you creating, such as research survey, but I'm going to choose the quiz. And just proceed by clicking the continue button and cut it. And now from here, you will see on the left side panel the content of your form, while on the right side, you can access the question, design, logic, in which under question you can choose the type either multiple choice, contact info, address, short text, long text, and many more. So for instance, I'm going to change the type into statement. Just click yes, change it, and after that it will show you the changes that occur. And after that, you can now start adding the content in your forms. So that is basically how you can simply add or start creating form in this Typeform. While on the other hand, using the Google Form, which is a free tool provided by Google that allows users to create online forms and surveys. From here, you can simply access this platform if you have a Google account, and just go to docs.google.com. And to start creating a form, all you need to do is to click this plus button right here to start from scratch. Then you will be directed on this page. And likewise in Typeform, you could also customize a lot of things in here, including to style your text, and also to choose the type. We have here short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, and many more. So there's also a variety of question type that you can choose in this Google Form. And as you can see, the design of it or the dashboard of it are pretty simple than this Typeform. While in terms of design, in this Typeform, you can simply click the design tab on the right side panel and it will show you that you can choose your themes, including the color of it, the button text, the background, and other details or content of your forms. While under the logic section on the right side panel, from here you can start creating or arranging the flow of your form. And as you can see, by dragging the form, you can simply arrange or change the branch flow of it. And also from here, you can create a dynamic and personalized experience for respondents by showing or hiding questions based on their previous answers. And this feature known as logic allows you to add question, branching, forks, or conditional questions to your Typeform, ensuring that respondents only see the relevant questions. Now going back to this question section, below here you could also navigate to check the accessibility and close the sidebar. And that is only under the Create section of this Typeform. But if you also want to integrate other platforms, just click this Connect section on the top panel and you will be directed in this page. In which from here, it will allow you to integrate the Typeforms with a variety of third-party apps and tools enable to automate workflows, capture leads, and connect with a favorite application. And as you can see, we could also connect the Google Sheets, Excel, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and many more. While on the other hand, Google Forms cannot integrate any of those applications or tools, but it can only connect other Google Services platforms like Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, and also Google Drive. Now going back to Typeform, aside from connecting or integrating with other third-party apps, you could also share your form by clicking the Share section right here, and you will be directed on this page. And you can share your form by simply copying the link or by using QR code, or even directly send to email link. Or alternatively, you can share using your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Dropbox, and many more. While by using the Google Forms, you could also share your forms by clicking the Send button on the top right corner. It will show you the option to send via email or by simply entering the email address of the recipient by copying the link or even copying the embed HTML or code. And also, of course, using Facebook or Twitter account. So as you can see, they are basically have the same feature, so you can use either both of them in creating a form. And also under the Google Form, you could also customize the design of it, such as the theme. Likewise, the feature that we can find in Typeform, we can also change the color of the theme, the background, and other content or details of this form. Now going back on the Typeform, you could also navigate the results section on the top panel by simply clicking on it. It will show you below here the insight, summary, and responses. So under the insight, you can simply track here the number of views, starts, submissions, completion rates, and time to complete. While under the summary, from here it will show you the notification if someone tried to respond to your form. And also, of course, the responses, in which from here it will show you the list of the respondents that answers your form. While on the other hand, by using Google Form, you could also see the responses by clicking the responses option on the top panel, and you can even link the result or responses to your Google Sheets. And by clicking these three dots right here, it will show you the option to get email notifications for new responses or to select destination for responses. So basically, Typeform and Google Form has a similarity in tracking the responses. But what makes Typeform stands out than Google Form is that it offers other option in creating a form, which is by importing questions or create with AI, which is also helpful to save time and create forms faster. And now that we know the similarities and differences between Google Forms and Typeform, I can say that both platforms can be used in creating a form since they also offer a free plan. And both platforms offer a range of question types, including multiple choice, short answer, and reading skills. And also, both platforms allow users to customize the look and feel of their forms, including adding image, videos, and custom branding. And that's make them both accessible for users with different budgets. However, if you have a money to spend with in creating a form, such as for your company or business, you can choose the Typeform in creating a form, since Typeform focuses on delivering beautiful, elegant forms that are easier to fill out, while Google Forms is more functional and straightforward form creation tool. So basically, the choice between Google Forms and Typeform depends on your specific needs and priorities, such as the level of customization, the type of question you want to ask, and the available features and integrations. So that is just a review comparison between Typeform and Google Forms. Thank you.